An optical mouse uses LED or laser technology to detect surface movement, providing precise cursor control. On the other hand, a Bluetooth mouse connects wirelessly to devices using Bluetooth technology, eliminating the need for a physical connection. Both offer convenience, but optical mice excel in responsiveness, while Bluetooth mice offer flexibility in connectivity without the constraints of cables. The inside of an optical mouse typically includes an LED or laser light source, a sensor, CMOS or CCD, and a processor. The LED/laser illuminates the surface, and the sensor captures the reflected light, creating an image. The processor analyzes changes in the image to determine the mouse's movement, transmitting signals to the computer for cursor control. Bluetooth mice have similar components, but include a Bluetooth chip for wireless communication. They establish a connection with the device via Bluetooth radio signals, enabling seamless interaction without the need for cables. Both mice rely on advanced algorithms for accurate tracking and smooth operation.